that? What the fuck? Wait. What the fuck are these? No, what's that? Behind it. Daddy's home! Got a few presents for the kids. Alrighty, let's see what we have today, boys.
Warning! Huge legend entering the building! Warning! 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 Pretty sure this thing's illegal.
Bitch, you guessed it. You was right. I got some little snacks here. Rest in peace, my friend. Rest in peace, God's little angel.
Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming.
Fuck's sake. Well, that was fucking worth it, wasn't it? Great. What's up, guys? It's me. Me again. I've got a choice here. Now, do you want A or do you want B? You gotta build up a little bit before you kick the door in, then BAM! Hey! Today, wait, what the fuck? I'm on the wrong side of the door. The camera's supposed to be there. Well, okay. I guess that's a first person burst through the door intro. Hey everyone, it's me, Kelso, from that 70s show. Because you haven't cut my hair, get it? Also, what the fuck? Something's up my ass. What the fuck is that? It's Red Foreman's boot. It's my dad's boot. Actually, I mean, it's Eric's dad's boot. I'm not Red's son, I'm Kelso. Where's Mila Kunis at? I wanna cram her pussy. Hey everyone. Oh, let me get a haircut. Oh, BRB. Hey, I'm back. Welcome back.
And will be used against you in a state of war. There's the son of the police.
Okay. Hey everyone! I owe you a little bit of short and sweet. I could give it to you. I probably could, if you'd like that. Sit down. Yeah, we're sitting. Hey everyone, it's me, Maxmoefoe Pokemon. Just getting ready for my job interview. But before that, I thought I'd open up the big box. Little boxes! It's time for little boxes! Little boxes! Let's get some! What's going on, guys? Huge legend here. Hey guys, new video every 2 days. Yeah. What is Driving Without Nature? On your own! Trailer Team Star! Let's get ever do that again, I promise, as long as I fucking live. I'm gonna do that again. I apologize. I have no idea what came fucking up. I'm sorry. No, dude, don't break it.
It's fine.
Yeah, you gotta present it.
Oh.
Yeah, what is it?
This is Primenex GX Pokemon Aqua version.
Alright, that's what I'm opening today. Thanks. Is it damage the wall?
No, we're good. Everything's fine.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
You can leave now. I'm gonna
All
open
right.
the box. Right now, I'm gonna open it. Hey, let's open this. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of opening up Pokemon boxes. Today, we're gonna beware the beware. I don't know if this is. Shut the fuck up. Hope you guys are ready to duel.
Here's your apple pie, ma'am.
Dip it in shit.
Yeah, just dip it in shit. Grab it by the corner and dip a little tip.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are slow clap. He's done it. The kid has done it. He's brought it back. Cork hats are back in fashion. Fighting flies no more. Over here in Australia, these are commonplace, but I'm taking it global. Hey everyone, what's going on? We've got a Pokemon one for you today, so don't fucking cry. I'm lazy. I'm lazy. Hey, you be fucking grateful. You never get a door intro on a 2-part series. I put that in there for free.
Yeah, I've been feeling kinda transgender. The boss baby helped me kill the dragon ender. Disney Pixar is where the boss baby came from.
Today we're opening up a Pokemon Stadium. Pokemon Battle Arena. Let's go!
Take that mask off.
Robux. Yeah. Hey, I remember Robux.
Hey! Shut the fuck up! What are you listening to? We have fucking neighbors. My God, what are you kids listening to in here? I need to get some sleep. I hate this generation of kids. What is actually wrong with any of you? And another thing. Nah, that's it, I'm up. I'm fucking up. I guess we better open this Burning Shadows Sun and Moon Booster Pack. Booster Box! Catch!
From this game taking away all the light. Who's this man playing on my
Server every night. Boy tried to take my diamond sword. Alright. Ooh, the server good. I'ma add it to my favorite. All day, you know I'ma play on it. Pull up on your server playing like a new.
Again! A fucking again! Shut the fuck up! Why is it always humble Minecraft or fucking Roblox parodies? This
My left swing just went viral. Right swing put a creeper in a spiral. Minecraft God prefer this game over COD. There's levels to it. Play Minecraft. Hold up, Steve. Sit down.
Yeah.
Play
I know.
Minecraft.
Ow!
Boy,
My
think he
elbow.
is playing.
Ah! God fucking damn it! Hey! Massive Legend here. Now, where were we? Hey guys, Massive Legend here. Today, we're opening up another mystery power box. Hello. Yeah, I got a delivery here. Is anyone home? I got a delivery for a bunch of fucking losers. Oh, there you are.
Massive Legend here.
Today we're finally opening up some fake Pokemon cards. I've been holding these suckers for a while. What's up, guys?
Massive Legend here.
Hey, guys! Blastoise EX Red and Blue Collection box here. Hey, guys! Massive Legend here. Today, we're gonna take a look at some of my best cards. I sure hope this is what I think it is, because I've been waiting for this package a while. Ow! Ooh. Ooh. I'm a ghost! Ow! Fucking... Looks like I'm in a straitjacket. You guys like Halloween? I got some shit all the way from Japan. Let me in. I've got some cards to show you. Oh, wait. I'm already inside. Yeah. What's up? Massive Legend here. Now, you want the blue pill? Or you want the red pill? Hello, I would like to continue from the first episode that I did on this box. Yeah, what's up everyone? Top of the morning to ya. I couldn't be fucked putting pants on today. What's up guys? Massive Legend here! I'm losing my voice. Listen, I couldn't be bothered putting pants on again. I figured it'd just be best to pixelate everything. Hey guys, regular monotone, sensible human being here. Today we're gonna open up this box, the second half of that one that we already opened up last time. What's up, fuckers? Oh. What's going on? Massive Legend! Hey everyone, lovely day we're having. Y'all look so beautiful today. You mind if I step in? Hey guys, massive box here! Oh fuck that. Hey guys, massive Legend! Yeah! Oh yeah, I got a head rush.